this is Eggy Fits, and today I'll be showing you how to cut in Amtico tiles around the door frame. So what you need is obviously Amtico, you need a pencil, you need a concavian blade, and you need your hands. So first of all, we have lacing with this Amtico. We lay off the tile over the top of the lacing. We use another tile, same length, to mark all the length pieces. So there, that piece, that corner there, that corner there, and now we need to mark that piece, and then the full length, which will be there. Now we need to do the inner curves, so we turn it on the side and we mark that. It's the inner curve. So that one, that's the inner bit for that one. Okay, so now we need to mark the widths. So the widths, you put this tile, on the end, and then you can put the marked tile up against it there. Now you mark there and there, little mark there, little mark there, there, beginning of the curve, end of that, the discrepancy there. So all these are marked. So let's do dot to dot, line them up. So these two are on a bit of an angle. So this will carry on because it's the same piece of wood. There. Okay, so now we've got all these points of reference. So this piece here, we draw them up, goes to there. That'll be there. That bit there is obviously the inner of the curve. So we go down, and there we go. So this is our drawing of that. Now, using your knife, you follow the line. So here we go, cutting up all of this all the way around. If you use your thumb to stable the knife and help pull it towards you, it's a bit more stable. There we go. So now it's all cut. Time to bend the tile and be careful it doesn't shatter. Can easily shatter this stuff. So there we go. That's that piece. There we are. So now you're cutting off the protruding backing that protrudes further than the top. So I just cut all that off. And go all the way around with this, cutting all this off. Now rub off a wee pencil line, because if it still needs a little trim you can remark it. So that goes in there, push it up, push it up, and there you go. See, it goes in and out, in and out. I think it needs a little trim there. So here's a little trim. Get it in, pushing it down. Make sure the lacing's all good. And there we go, ready for gluing. So there you go, that's how you do it. And there's the piece. So that is that. Job done. Thanks for watching Eggy Fits. Please subscribe for more flooring and fitting tips.